In today's video, we're diving into the question everyone's asking: Gamma AI versus Canva. Which one is better? If you're trying to decide which tool fits your workflow, stick around, because I'll help you figure out which one truly deserves a spot in your toolkit. Let's start with Canva. Canva is a powerful design platform that's perfect for anyone who loves creative control. You can design almost anything, from social media graphics and logos to presentations and videos. It's great for creators, business owners, or anyone who wants full control over how their visuals look. With Canva, you can easily adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand style. The only catch? It takes a bit more time and effort if you're starting from scratch. But for those who enjoy the creative process, Canva delivers stunning, professional quality results that really stand out. Now let's talk about Gamma AI. This tool takes a faster, more automated approach. Instead of designing everything manually, you simply type your ideas or upload your content, and Gamma automatically generates sleek presentations or web pages for you. It's ideal for people who value speed and simplicity, especially if you're working on client decks, reports, or anything that needs to look professional in minutes. While it doesn't offer as much creative freedom as Canva, Gamma makes up for it with convenience and time savings. So which one is better? Honestly, it depends on what you need. If you're someone who loves crafting visuals and wants everything to look exactly how you imagine it, Canva is the winner. But if you're all about efficiency and want results fast, Gamma AI is your best bet. In the end, both tools are powerful in their own ways. Canva gives you creative freedom, while Gamma gives you speed and simplicity. The real question is, what matters more to you, total control or time efficiency? Let me know your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews like this.